Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix video car crash error code FHC01 on Forza Horizon 6. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, before you launch the game, try to just disable all the peripherals that you have, your controller, your racing wheel or whatsoever. So unplug from your computer and proceed with other step. Other step is this. So you need to make sure that you don't have Riva Tuner, MSI Afterburner, and Citrix Workspace on your computer, because it blocks from opening the game, and there is a lot of cases just by uninstalling these apps. Just uninstall these apps, MSI Afterburner, Citrix or Riva Tuner, and then launch the game and look if the problem persists, because it can be the cause of the problem. And if uninstalling programs and disabling peripherals do not work, then proceed with other step. That particular step is you just need to look for Microsoft C++ and just click on the first link here. Scroll down until you see x86 and x64 files. So you just need to download them both. And once it's downloaded, you need to just install them. Super easy to install. Just press on it, wait for a couple of seconds. I agree, install. And again, we need to wait for a couple of seconds. And you just need to do with all these two setups here. It's quite easy. And after that, restart your PC and look if the problem persists or not. And the next step, what you need to do here, you need to go to Device Manager. Then you need to expand audio inputs and outputs, and you need to look if there is some NVIDIA hardware here. If you see some NVIDIA hardware, what you need to do here is to right click on it and disable device. It can be on audio inputs and outputs, audio processing options here. It can be NVIDIA thing here. So just disable it, or it can be on sound, video, and game controllers. Also, if you see some NVIDIA things here, try to disable them and then look if the problem persists after that. And that's basically what you need to do here. And before you start the game, don't forget to verify files. You just need to press on the three dots, manage, and then files, and then you should see verify and repair. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.